Do you ever find yourself copying data from email, notes, or other systems into your Power Apps forms and thinking there's got to be a better way? Well, there is. There's a feature called Smart Paste in Power Apps that lets you paste in text, PDF, images, and even handwritten notes, and it magically fills in the form fields for you. So here's how it works. I want to add a new record to this customers table. I already have the customer information in this Excel. So rather than manually filling that out, I'm going to copy this customer information, and you'll see this Smart Paste button. That will take whatever is in your clipboard and automatically recognize that and map it to the fields in your form. It will give you this preview of what it's mapped from what you pasted in, and you have a chance to override anything, or if it pasted everything over correctly, which it did, just click Accept Suggestions and save your form. And this isn't just for text. If we add a new customer record, I can use this to extract data from an image and do the mapping as well. I have this image here that has information about a new customer that I want to add. So all I have to do for this is drag and drop that image into the Smart Paste toolbar. It will recognize the image, extract all the information from it, and do the mapping into my form fields. We'll get the preview again with all of that contact information, and I can accept the suggestions, save, and we're good to go again. Now let's spice it up a bit. Let's go over to this service logs table and we'll add a new item here. So not only does this form have more fields that we have to fill out, which would be more time consuming, we're also going to see if it can handle this challenge of taking a handwritten form and recognizing the text. So I'll drag and drop that handwritten image in here and we'll see what it can do. And it looks like it got mostly everything for us. The only thing we have to do is map some customers to the new customer that we just added in that lookup and the customer service representative. But it got the service date, the service type, it pulled in the description and the follow-up actions. Now we'll just accept the suggestions and save, and again, we're good to go, saving us a lot of time in filling out these forms manually. Now this feature is available specifically in your model-driven apps, and it's available at no additional cost within your Power Apps licensing. But to use it, you do need to enable a feature. So you'll go over to the Power Platform Admin Center, go to the Manage tab if you're using the new experience, and pick your environment from the list. Go to Settings, expand out the Product section, and go to Features. You'll scroll down and make sure that Smart Paste is turned on, and make sure to save those changes for your environment. Once you have that enabled, you'll need to also apply a setting in your model-driven app where you want to use Smart Paste. Open up your app in edit mode and go to the settings for the app. Select Features, scroll down a bit and find the Form Fill Assist toolbar setting and make sure that's toggled to on. Save that and you're good to go to start using Smart Paste. Smart Paste is one of those hidden gem features that's baked right into Power Apps without you having to do anything else other than enable those settings, and it really helps improve your end user experience. So if you haven't already, go enable that for your applications, give it a try, and let me know how it works for you. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more Power Platform videos. See you in the next one.